Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a default card in Apple Pay. It's going to be short and sweet and very simple steps to follow. So the first step in this is to open your General Settings app. Scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay and select it. Tap Apple Pay Defaults and then select Default Card. You'll be able to choose any card from the list in your wallet when you open that up. And then you'll save it by hitting the back arrow. And now when you double click to pay, that card will be selected automatically. You can still switch cards at checkout. This is just set your starting card. That is the best and easiest way I know, but if you guys know a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments below.